If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Journey SE Blacktop Edition in Redline Red. With black headlamp bezels, gloss black grille, 17-inch black aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, gloss black rear fascia applique, touring suspension, premium cloth low back bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, a 4.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, 3-zone temperature control, rear reclining and fold flat seat, third row 50/50 fold and reclining seat, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5504.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.